Hi everyone, this is Janet. I just thought I would do a quick unboxing video of a new package I just received from Rinea Foil with their design team. And what I have received is this 6x12 pack of Misfits. If you've never seen Misfits, it is a pack of foil paper that has maybe a little bit of error to it. I don't know if you can see it. Like this one has just a small scratch on it, but it's still usable. And so they package these in 12 or 24 sheets. This one is 24 sheets, 6 by 12 inches, and it gives you a variety of different colors in the package. So this is a great way to get started with Rinea Foil if you want to get a variety of colors. Then it looks like here I've got 6 by 12 in solid gold, gold on both sides. Then I've got a variety here of black, which they call ebony. It has gold on the back. And then here is gold with gold on the back. Now this is Starstruck with the star pattern on the paper. It's 6 by 12 again. And then here we have now these are colors that are typically in the Princess pack. So you can see here we've got some pastels, silver, purple, and then you can see here in Starstruck and in Smooth with the gold on the back. And I will link below the exact names of these in case they're not, you know, the direct colors of pink and purple and so forth. And then more of this, this is Starstruck again with the star pattern, silver, pink. These are 6 by 12. And then I have another pack of Misfits, and this is double-sided foil paper, 24 sheets, 6 by 12. So it's the same or similar to the other package I got. So that is really helpful. And then last, Joe Rotella did a workshop at Creativation for making a clock, and they had extras from that package, and so they sent us the chipboard pieces, and you can see here's the hole for the clock, and then the clock movements, and so that we could do something similar or different with our Rinea foil. And here is a template that they sent that he used to make his clock. So a couple different options there, and we can use these however we see fit, and so you'll be seeing me use that in the future. So just wanted to share this quick update to what I received and to let you know that there are some new colors being released with Rinea Foil, and I will announce those as soon as we are allowed to, but I have seen some previews of them and they're very interesting. So I think you will enjoy seeing that as well. So as soon as we're able to share, I will give you that information as well.